The quiz from the previous video is still awaiting a solution, and the opportunity to win a prize is still open. Watch, learn, and stand a chance to win a real prize with some math fun. Math's for you for real. Facts about factors. A factor is a number that divides another number without any remainder, and it can be positive or negative. Every number possesses a unit factor that may either be positive or negative. Not all factors are prime factors. A prime factor has only two factors, itself and 1. 0 is not a factor. Example. List all the positive factors and prime factors of the following numbers. If 6 is the result of multiplying two integers, then those integers are factors of 6. If one factor is identified, the other can be found by dividing 6 by the known factor. Begin with a known factor of 1, then 2, and so forth, excluding those that cannot divide 6 evenly. Thus, 6 divided by 1 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. The factors are: the prime factors are then only 1, 2, and 4 can divide 16 without remainder. We therefore have the workings as follows. Hence, the factors are: the prime factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6 can divide 222 without a remainder. Dividing 222 by this number we have hence, the factors are the prime factors are. For the following numbers, find all the pairs of factors and their sum. The factors of -20 encompass both positive and negative values. Therefore, we divide -20 by the first few negative factors, -1, -2, -4, and by the first few positive factors, 1, 2, 4 as follows. Therefore, the sum of the pairs is as follows. Likewise, the working of 2 is as follows. The sum is as follows. The sum is as follows. To determine the highest common factor, HCF, of two or more numbers. I. Break down each of them into their prime factors. 2. Extract the common prime factors. 3. The HCF will be negative if one or more numbers are negative. Example. Find the HCF of We break down the following numbers into their prime factors as follows. Therefore, 1 is the highest common factor. Also, for 2, the working is as follows. The HCF should be negative because two of the numbers are negative. Therefore, the HCF is -1 times 2 times 2, which is equal to -4. The HCF of -60, 45, 75, and 105 is as follows. As one of the numbers is negative, the highest common factor, HCF, is determined by multiplying -1, 3, and 5. Win. 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 Win $5 by solving the quiz problems. Send your answers to maths4u4real@gmail.com. Remember that the fastest finger wins the prize. Subscribe